Pros and cons of a stone-top dining table. Dear friends, your dining table is more than just a resting place for food. Especially, dining tables in a modern or open-plan house serve as a design anchor and are pivotal for setting the tone and style of a home. Whether you and your loved ones are gathered around for a weekday meal, you're throwing a party with your best friends, or even entertaining important acquaintances and need to make a good impression, your dining table will always make an impact. Many dining tables have wood or glass tops, but stone tops are becoming more and more popular. And it makes sense why. Natural stone-top dining tables can add a sense of individuality to a home, and the many varieties of natural stone mean there's a plethora of timeless design choices. But while they are certainly a great choice, they aren't necessarily the right choice for everyone. We've broken down the pros and cons for you to consider when choosing your next dining table. The pros of stone-top dining tables. Aesthetic. There's a boldness to the luxurious look of a stone-top dining table. With a number of different natural stones, there's simply no way you won't find a design to fall in love with. Every stone top is unique in its own right, with a specific style of veining or specks that separates it from any other stone table. Plus, stone doesn't go out of style, making it a great long-term dining room solution. Shape and size. The customization of your stone-top dining table doesn't end with its color. The shape and size of your table need to suit the area you're putting it in. With stone tables, you're able to achieve the right style to complement the rest of your interior design choices. While you might not think of stones as flexible, the style of your stone-top table certainly is. Durability. Stone dining tables boast strength and sturdiness that ensure durability for many years. If you care for your table consistently and in the proper way, not only will it likely last for quite some time, but it will look just as shiny and amazing as it did on the day you got it. Impression. There's no doubt about it. A large stone-top dining table is simply an impressive sight to behold. With a little bit of care, you can get your stone table shining and glimmering like no other material. If making a grand statement to guests is a must for you, then stone is certainly something to consider. The cons of stone-top dining tables. Big and bulky. Stone-top dining tables can be big, bulky, and heavy to move. If your dining room area requires rearrangement often, then a heavy stone table might not be the best bet. Additionally, if not moved with care, some natural stones, like marble, can crack or chip. Spills and stains. Regular maintenance and care should be taken with any tabletop, but stone tops especially require diligent care. If something spills, it is best to clean it up as soon as possible to avoid permanent staining. Keeping your stone top looking spiffy and special might require a little more patience and effort than other tables. Also, make sure you take care of what chemicals and cleaners you wipe down your stone table with, as some might be damaging. Careful use. To keep your stone top looking as stunning as you'd like, you need to consider how you're going to use the table. Using coasters, placemats, and tablecloths is highly recommended. Hot and very cold items shouldn't be placed directly on top of the stone, and sticky items might leave a difficult-to-remove residue. Also, bear in mind whether other activities might be taking place at the table. Do you have kids who might use it for arts and crafts? Do you often work there with a laptop or pen and paper? All of these activities, without preventative maintenance measures, can cause damage. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.